Press the bell button and tap Next. Please reset the device by holding the reset button for 5 seconds. Wait for the indicator light to flash red. Select the 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network and enter your password. Please remove all film Connecting. Please wait a moment.
I found 112,283,798.